Hi, this is Ceri with Discover Organizing. So I'm going to give you a few tips on how to get started. Firstly is the downsizing. So my recommendation is you choose a room to start in. You need to take boxes, and we recommend liquor boxes because you can't fill them up too much and you don't want to make them too heavy to carry. Secondly, you're going to need garbage bags because you know there's going to be some garbage in there. And thirdly, take some clear bags because you're going to put soft items in the clear bags. Believe me, you don't want to be looking which is garbage and which is the stuff you want to donate. So make it easier on yourself. You're going to go top to bottom, left to right. You don't want to touch it more than once. So if you're going to take it with you, leave it where it is and we'll pack it for you later. Secondly, just stick to one part of the room. People make the mistake of bouncing around from corner to corner. Start on your left or right, keep working in that direction, and believe me, you're going to do a lot fairly quickly. Take half an hour the first time. If it works well, do another half hour, but don't overdo it. Secondly, be patient with yourself. This all didn't happen overnight, and it isn't going to get cleared overnight. So be patient. Maybe have a friend help you. Maybe you can do the same for them. But you're going to find if you do it with someone, it's a little more fun and it goes quicker. Thirdly, paper sorting. We've all got papers, magazines that you don't need anymore. I actually helped a man who had taxes from 1952. I don't know what he was going to do with them, but we definitely got rid of them. Now, if you're going to do paper sorting, you needed something a little different. So what I would do is get clear bags. Clear bags, anything that needs to be shredded, like those taxes from 1952, you're going to put them in the clear bag so you can take them somewhere that does shredding. There's always community events or somewhere like Staples. They'll be happy to shred it for you. Magazines, get some bags, paper bags from the supermarkets. You can put all those old magazines in there. That way you can use them to do recycling instead of just throwing them in the garbage. Again, maybe set a timer for 30 minutes. People find paper sorting a fairly hard thing to do. If you find old letters and things like that, maybe you put those aside so you can read them later and just really focus on all those bills that have been piling up. No one has ever said to me, Ceri, I wish I was doing this in 2 years. Everybody always says, Ceri, I wish I'd done this 2 years ago. So get started, give us a call, and believe me, these are beautiful homes.